this. I learned this one from Mama. Boss Madam. Boss Mama. Like this. Make it hot. So it will be like crispy and tasty. See? See? Now, take one more.
What is it?
Masala.
Yeah, what kind of masala this one?
That one inside, I don't know what is that. I think that's Bahraini
Yeah, this is
masala.
Bahraini special egg masala, no? Okay. So you are now only using
and salt. And the
so
egg.
what is this egg name?
What egg? 4 eggs.
I mean, this is scramble egg.
Scrambled egg with masala and cheese. But they call this mama egg.
This is maximum Bahraini people calling this mama egg. So
No,
only
this is only in our families.
Okay.
To distinguish between mama egg, only scrambled egg, no cheese, only salt, only pepper and salt. Mama egg have cheese, have masala, Bahraini masala. This is to distinguish which egg you want to cook. Now we will put this one and make it hot. This one.
Not but what is better? What is better, using extra virgin oil or you can use normal vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil, yeah. Okay. Now when the oil is hot, all the like this, then cut into pieces the cheese.
This is cheddar cheese or
Any cheese available.
Any kind of,
sliced cheese, cheese in can, whatever. This one. This one is finished, you can use any bread. You can the kubas, the Arabic bread, or the sliced bread, but make it toast. This goes with a.
This is a kind of scramble, no?
Yeah, scrambled egg,
but our style.
Arabic masala.
Yeah.
With more cheese, it's better. But cheese must be mixed with the egg, not with the frying pan. Because it's
So how many egg you use here?
I use 4 eggs.
4 eggs with 4 sliced cheese?
Yeah, 1 or 2, but with cheese it's nicer.
This is most important here, huh?
The masala.
Masala.
This is the most important thing, the masala. Now, don't make it overcooked. It must be a little bit with watery like this. Because if it is overcooked, it will be dry.
It will be smoothie.
Dry. This one must be like heavy. See? Like this. So when you scrub your bread, it's easier.
Okay, thank you.
Either kubas, Arabic bread, or the sliced bread, but toast. Toast. See now, it's over. Finish. Okay? Now, I learned this one from Mama. Boss Madam. Boss Mama. Like this. Make it hot. So it will be like crispy and tasty. See? See? Now, and one more.
Sprinkle of peppers.
Yeah.
Wow.
If you want a little bit of this Arabic,
This is spices. It's a special egg spice.
yes.